Hello friends, welcome to our channel Pythonji. Today's video is related to different courses of Chatgpt. In this video, we explored more than 33 courses related to Chatgpt, which is available on only one website named Great Learning. All the courses are top rated and best for beginners. Also, they provide certificate and all the courses are free of cost. You have to invest only your time to do this course, not a single penny, and you can enhance your skill in the field of AI. I think you all are aware about ChatGPT, and if you want a detailed video of ChatGPT, you can go and check out on my channel. Also, I provide link in my description of that video. So without wasting our precious time, let's begin. So first of all, we have to search for Great Learning and we have to do login. I already logged in. So after login, you can see this interface where you can see search courses. So you can simply search for ChatGPT or you can browse ChatGPT and generative AI. So search for ChatGPT and you can see these all courses related to ChatGPT. In the field of management, ChatGPT and generative AI, artificial intelligence and IT and software. You can also select duration, course rating and skill level. You can also sort these courses in highest rating, newest, most relevant, most popular, like that, and these are some courses. So first course is ChatGPT for marketing. This is more relevant courses having 1 hour time and this is for beginner. Second is ChatGPT for HR. Course timing is 1.5 hours. Then ChatGPT for beginners, which is of 2 hours. All these courses are for beginners. Then we have fourth course, which is ChatGPT for Excel. Then ChatGPT for coders. ChatGPT for digital marketing. ChatGPT for business communication. Prompt engineering for ChatGPT. This course is very in demand. Then ChatGPT for content and SEO. Then build Python app using ChatGPT, data analyst using ChatGPT, which Excel and Python. These all courses are around 1 to 3 hours and I think not more than that. So next is ChatGPT for NPL, ChatGPT for accounting, ChatGPT for customer support. Then you can go in second. You can see here more courses which is of 1 hour. You can see ChatGPT for Microsoft PowerPoint, then build a website using ChatGPT, OpenAI ChatGPT predictions, then getting started with ChatGPT 4, getting started with Gemini AI Bard, getting started with Google Bard coders, then getting with GitHub, also Google Word for Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Bard for accounting, then data analyst using Google Word, then build Python apps, then Java and MySQL using GitHub using Python, GitHub using JavaScript, interview preparation using Bard. This is 4.7 rating and have 4. This is 4.7 rating and for 1 hour, also for beginners, and you can see here 5.2 listeners. You can enroll for free, you can see like that. Then you have also pay for it or go for free, like enroll for free. And you can see here these are the contents and notes, also PDF. Then you have to do give a quiz and claim your certificate. Okay. So next is we have to go to third, and these are introduction to Claude, generative AI for beginners, and how to build your own chat box using Python. So these all courses are related to ChatGPT, which is very popular, and these are 33 results of ChatGPT. It means is available on this website. These all courses are life changing, so go and check it out very quickly. I will provide link in description of all these courses. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye, see you soon.